Are you really doing that? You just started feeling better. Are you really doing that? Are you really doing? Your tongue is still ouchy too. Do you not know? You're gonna hurt yourself. Ugh. Winner, you can't do that. You're Winner, listen. You just got better. You don't need to mess with them. Yeah, your tongue still hurts. It's hard to scream. Oh my God. I can't believe she is back to her old self already. The injustice. I do know you can't climb the gate. I do know you can. You can't climb that gate because it hurts your toes. Oh my goodness. Pool guy's here.